On this Monday Morning Minute, why should I buy a Ventrac? This is a continuation of our video last week where we got a question from R&R Outdoor Services of Michigan, and they asked us, why should I buy a Ventrac over other tractors? This is a great question because we know a lot of people are in this exact same scenario comparing the Ventrac to other equipment. It is similar in some ways, but it's also vastly different. So I've put together my top 9 reasons why you'd consider a Ventrac over a different tractor. I'll try and hit them in 60 seconds or less. Here we go. 1. Versatility. Between the tractor and all the attachments we have available, you won't find a more versatile tractor. 2. Front-mounted attachments. They just work better. 3. Attachment mounting. It's easy, tool-free, and anybody can do it. 4. Light footprint. Our tractor does extremely well in wet areas. 5. Articulation and oscillation. This is the way our tractor frame moves, and it guarantees that you have the best traction, stability, and comfort possible. 6. Hillside capability. Seriously, you won't find another tractor that's as good on hills. 7. Specialty attachments. Things like the boom mower, the Aera-Vator, and the Ballpark groomer. 8. It's made in the USA. The whole thing right here. And lastly, support. If you have any questions for Ventrac, call us up. We'll answer you whenever.